Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 32. Get ready for the education. Start. It was felt that an authority which may be called upon to deal with questions such as the question whether the teacher has been wrongfully removed, the matter has to be dealt with so far as the management is concerned, and the university has to deal with the management, or whether something has been done by the management or the governing body which is not in the best interest of the university. Stop. A body like this, which is going to deal with such cases, must have college teachers on it. Stop. Therefore, this was a move which, in my humble opinion, was a correct move, a move in the proper direction, and it would have created a situation if it had already started functioning, when the teachers of the colleges themselves would be partners in planning out what arrangements have to be made. Stop. Having said this, I would like to make one further observation on a point which has been made by the honorable member. Stop. Apparently, the way some of the functionaries of the Delhi Teachers Association have been talking has misled the honorable members, if I may most humbly point it out. Stop. Government's position, as I have stated very clearly, is that the definition of a teacher of the degree college as given under the Act is accepted by the government, and government has no intention of modifying it. Stop. The definition says that a teacher of a college means a person appointed for the purpose of imparting instructions in any college. Stop. Now, all members of the academic council are teachers. Stop. It is an artificial way to create dichotomy, and I do not want to do it. Stop. It seems all the people who came to see the honorable member wanted to have their cake and eat it too. Stop. You can not say that only college teachers are teachers and others are not teachers, and some of them put forward the argument that no, we feel that you wish to delink the colleges. Stop. The Act is very clear on that point. Stop. Sir, I had something to do with the drafting of the report, and I was a signatory to this report. Stop.